In this video, we're looking at the different types of grass in Twinmotion. To find grass, go over to the Vegetation tab in the Library section. Right under Trees, you'll see Grass and Flowers. Select Grass and you see all the different types of grass. You can drag the lawn grass over onto the surface that is here, and then you can see what the lawn grass looks like. Also, you can use Populate and go over to Foliage, select Paint or Scatter. I'm going to use Paint right now. Change the diameter to maybe 200. Go over, okay, 200 is too big. Let's try 20. Go over to the surface, drag the lawn grass, go drop it in the paint bucket over here, and then go over the surface and paint the lawn grass over. You can change the settings of the grass by selecting the lawn grass in the paint bucket, increasing the density, increasing the size of the grass to have your lawn grass. We have seen the lawn grass. Now let's look at long grass 01. Drag and drop, long grass 01. Long grass 02. That's long grass 03. Long grass 04. Dry grass. Wild grass 01. You can also reduce the size of this one. You can also reduce the size of this one. Dry wild grass 01. You can also reduce the size. Clovers 01. You can increase the size of this one to make it visible. Clovers 02. Clovers 03. For weed, I'm going to use the scatter. So I'm going to drag weed over to the paint bucket and then select scatter. Select the weed and you can see the scatter tool over here, and then go over to the surface and click. It goes on to, if you go on to click it again, it's going to scatter more weed on the surface. We can see more weed attached to the surface now. To erase it, just go ahead and select the eraser, then click each and every one of them and remove the weed. Weed 02. Weed 03, weed 04. Tall grass. Tall grass 02. You can increase the size of this one or reduce it. Tall grass 03. Tall grass 04. You can increase the size of this one. These are normally bush tall grass. Dandelion. Buttercups. Poppies. Daisies. Violets. Yarrows. Field scabious. Ling heather. That is all the grass in Twinmotion 2023.